Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another H2ML. Today, I want to talk to you about something that has completely changed my life. I just discovered that I have pockets on my pants. Now, a lot of people might be wondering, what exactly is that? Here, I'll just go ahead and show you. I have a pocket here, two pockets on the back side of my pants. I also have pockets on my shirt, but we're not gonna go into that. Let's just talk about these pockets. Most pants have pockets, and we've been living with them all our life and had no idea. What do? They hold things. They can hold your hand, keys, headphones. Now, there are gonna be a number of things you probably don't wanna hold in your pockets. Now, not everybody has pants, but if you're lucky enough to have a pair, you probably have a pocket or two, and you can utilize the pockets throughout your day. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of H2ML, and if you have any videos you'd like to see, just comment them below.